Hi, my lovely listener. This is Prince, and today I'm here in Fluentors to help you speak like a native English speaker. You know, fluency isn't only about grammar or big vocabulary. It's about using expressions, little phrases that carry emotion, rhythm, and meaning. So, today I'll share 20 smart phrases that native speakers use every day. Each one comes with a short story and a clear meaning, so you'll never forget it again. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Relax. Enjoy every word. 1. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad at first, but later turns out to be good. I once lost my job. I cried. I felt broken, but a few months later, I found a better one. That's when I realized it was a blessing in disguise. 2. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, say exactly what is right or true. My colleague said, "We failed because we didn't plan properly." She was completely right. She hit the nail on the head. 3. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret accidentally. My friend planned a surprise birthday party for her mom. I accidentally mentioned it during dinner. Oh no, I let the cat out of the bag. The secret was gone. 4. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. My cousin lives in Canada. He visits Bangladesh maybe once in 5 years. So yes, I see him once in a blue moon. 5. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation in an uncomfortable situation. The meeting room was silent. Everyone looked serious. Then I told a funny story. People smiled. That's how I broke the ice. 6. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Before my IELTS exam, I studied until 2 in the morning. Books everywhere. Coffee beside me, yes. I burned the midnight oil. 7. The best of both worlds. Meaning, enjoying two different advantages at the same time. Working from home gives me time with my family and still lets me earn money. That's the best of both worlds. 8. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to accept something difficult or painful bravely. I was terrified of injections, but I took a deep breath and said, "Do it." I had to bite the bullet. 9. A piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. The driving test. It was so easy. I finished it in 10 minutes. It was a piece of cake. 10. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning very expensive. That new iPhone looks amazing, but the price, oh my goodness, it costs an arm and a leg. 11. Under the weather, meaning feeling a little sick or unwell. Yesterday, I stayed home, not because I was lazy, I was under the weather, a little weak, a little tired. 12. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed or sleep. After a long, busy day, I take a shower, smile at my child, and hit the sack. That means go to bed. 13. Call it a day. Meaning to stop working for the day. We worked since morning. Everyone was tired. Our boss smiled and said, "Let's call it a day." We packed up and went home. 14. Cut corners. Meaning to do something cheaply or carelessly. The new building looked nice at first, but after a few months, cracks appeared. The contractor had cut corners. He tried to save money and did a poor job. 15. In hot water, meaning in trouble. My friend forgot his wedding anniversary. His wife was furious. Oh yes, he was in hot water. 16. A drop in the ocean, meaning a very small amount compared to what is needed. I donated a small amount to charity. It felt good, but I realized it was just a drop in the ocean. The problem was much bigger. 17. Throw in the towel, meaning to give up or stop trying. He started 3 small businesses. Each one failed. Finally, he said, "I'm done." He threw in the towel. 18. Bend over backwards, meaning to try very hard to help someone. My manager wanted to impress the client. He worked late, stayed patient, smiled through stress. He bent over backwards to make them happy. 19. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action. I've done my part of the project. Now it's your move. The ball is in your court. 20. Actions speak louder than words, meaning what people do is more important than what they say. He promised to help me move house. He said, "Don't worry, I'll come." But he never showed up. Actions speak louder than words. And that's it. 20 smart and beautiful English expressions, each one powerful, natural, and full of meaning. When you use these, you don't just sound fluent, you sound confident, friendly, and alive. Don't rush to memorize all of them today. Just pick 2 or 3. Use them in your own sentences. Say them when you speak to friends. Write them in your notes. Repeat them until they feel natural. Because when language becomes yours, fluency becomes effortless. Thank you for listening. This is Prince, and you've been learning with Fluentors with heart and story. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shining in English.